We're out here today, guys, and we're out here going cobia hunting and kingfishing. It's gonna be an epic time. We're here with Sean Strahlo,
Yo!
What? Alex Hughey, Jon Cangianella behind the calendar, behind the camera, and don't forget the pogies. And we're gonna go and try to catch ourselves some cobras. Stay tuned. We got Alex Hughey hooked up.
Come on, Alex.
That's gonna be a cobia right there.
Yeah, it is. It's a good one too.
Cobras coming live, baby.
Where's it? A red snapper.
Oh, it's a cobra.
Oh yeah. Here, watch out. Is it keeper?
Ah, he's close. I'd net it.
No, he's
No,
keeper.
he's keeper.
Here, open up the coffin. Nice and easy. Isn't that sick, marking cobras?
Dude, that's awesome.
Who says you need to go freaking
I would have just stuck him in the net. Cobras.
reaching that far deep?
No, hang on.
Easy.
I'm gonna swing.
Yep, easy. Don't pull his head out of the water though.
Yeah.
There we go. There's one. Cobra.
Hey, that's a good one.
Yeah, he's a keeper. All right, good. Drop it down.
God, it feels good to catch them things.
Woo! Oh, Strahlo's hooked up. Yeah.
Yep. So funny.
No, just leave it. Just leave it. Hold on. They'll sometimes hit.
Oh,
Oh,
we got him on. Hey! That was kind of cool.
Live action, baby.
Mine's a good one, dude.
In the well.
Yeah, now you gotta look. There you go.
Yeah, ooh, that's a good one.
Just keep it going, boy. Just keep it going. Clockwork, clockwork.
Oh,
Get
just
this
like
in.
the switch we talked about.
You just never stop. You just
Get ready.
here. Alex, you take him. Deal with him. What? Whose phone is beeping out here? That's crazy.
Probably mine.
Here, turn that clicker on.
Huh?
No, not you. I was telling Alex when he was throwing it.
Come on, coming up.
Nice one.
There we go.
Got that system down
Here.
pat now.
Yeah. Keep it going.
Got one already out there, bud.
Yeah.
I went ahead and got 2 rods dropped in. Thank God I did, because this was the second rod.
Alex, what you got there?
Got old king mackerel. Mercury missile.
Mercury.
I'm gonna go home smelling like a kingfish. That's not very attractive.
As long as you don't smell as bad as John does.
Oh,
Not
there's
this
no
John.
way. I think he just like stomps in all the fish carcasses and rolls in them at the end of the day. He smells like a bag of crap.
Oh, poor John. I love him though. There you go. Take that up to the front. Hook's right on the front of the nose. Perfect.
Got him on, got him on, got him on.
There's this bait right here that I'm still holding. It's been hit like 3 times.
He's a screamer.
Figures the short guy catches the small fish.
Also caught the biggest.
Oh, yeah, who put you on that biggest one? Yeah, he's got to be keeper. There you go. All right, you guys, we're out here. We got a whole school of cobias. Look at them all coming up. Look, 5, 6, 7 of them. Yeah, look, that's a bigger one. Get the bigger one. Hit it.
I'll get one on the jig.
Look at them all. Oh boy. Oh, broke you off? Nope, pulled. Hook pulled. There's 10 over here. There's 15.
Oh, I got one on the jig.
Oh
my God,
In this thing, I should have brought the fly rod. Look at them all. Look at them all. Get it going. This is the sickest shot you'll ever get.
Maybe do you want me to hook one? Or
Yes, hook one. Somebody hook one.
Hook the cobia?
Yes. Look at them all. No, just isn't this crazy? Look at all the cobias. There's probably like 15, 20 of them. Oh boy, live action, guys. Live action. Look, we're all hooked up. Cobias everywhere. Look at them all these cobias. Cobias. Look at them all. Look at them all. They're all everywhere. So I got them swimming over here on the motor. They're over here underneath us. They're so stupid. Look at them. Look, oh, let's get to eat. Let's get to eat. Let's get to eat. Oh!
Drop it.
Look at them all swimming around the boat. Oh! Oh, that one looked keeper. That one's keeper right there.
Hang on.
There he is. There he is. Let him eat it. Let him eat it. No, the wrong one.
I thought it was the bigger one.
Oh, have you ever had this problem before? I almost want to throw a top on it. You just like did it on the surface. Hey!
He's not eating it, Jamie.
Just teasing him, dude. Dude, if we had a fly rod.
That was the better one.
That was a good one.
Oh God, look at them all.
I believe that was the better one.
What do you think of this, Sean?
Insane. I've never seen a big cobia in my life.
Here, dip it down. Get the big one. Just don't let it sink. You just keep it right there. Oh! Let it down a little bit. There you go.
I'm gonna try to get a bigger
You need a hook one because nobody else has one. You need to hook any one you get, John. Yep. Set a hook. There you go. Alex Hughey right here. We're doing some crazy stuff, guys. We're using just a Red Bull can for cobia.
Check this out.
Red Bull gives you wings. Look at him chasing it. Look at that. Not every day you just want to lead her in cobia without trying to net him. Nah, he's not even close, dude. He's like 3 inches short. I told you there was a lot of shorts when I got him here. Look, Alex Hughey, high sticking him in. Jesus, Alex. And you wonder why my rods break?
It's different. It's a Terramar. Them things don't break.
Oh, he ate it. Oh.
There they go.
There they come back up. Oh, you just pulled it off? Perfect. Here, look at that.
It's talent. Snagging them and bagging them.
That's awesome.
This is how they were that day. I'm not gonna say out where, but that I was talking about with the gaff, but they were all a little bigger. But this is how it was. But it wasn't for like this long. It was for like 15 minutes.
Okay. Get him head first.
There you go.
He's hooked well.
He's 32.
Nah, he's probably keeper. Go up to the front. Perfect.
Get out the way.
Nicely done, John.
All right.
All right, let's send him
swimming.
back. We'll catch him another day. Perfect.
Hooked up.
All right, I don't want him to get me in that damn wreck, though. Ew! Oh, he's going towards it. He's just still dogging me, dude. He's still just trying to get to that wreck.
The great and powerful Jamie seems to have turned his head. Get his ass up. Come on, son.
Dude, start. Oh, no.
Start the motor?
No.
It's already started. What am I talking about?
I'm getting him up. The big red snapper.
Yep.
Look at that. Woo!
Delicious
Big red snapper. They're good to eat.
Big old snapper.
All right.
Hey, that's how we release them. Fin and fly.
That's it. Take long.
Oh, I lost mine.
Oh, look at all the Oh. No, he's still on. You're hitting other fish.
Oh, I wanted to catch it. Yes.
We'll get another one. Nicely done, Sir Alex Hughey.
All right, I'm getting that thing back.
A3! Hooked up, baby! Oh, he's coming at the boat! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
I'll let mine go away.
Right here. Go right and I'll go left.
Oh, look at the side image, Alex. This is how you get that on film.
Oh.
Look at the side image. That's the side imaging of what it looks like with drum all around. Oh, I don't like it when they do this. Oh shit. Oh shit. I gotta go up to the front. Watch out. Watch your fish.
Fin and fly charters, baby.
Oh, look at this one, John. Don't get mine.
All right, John.
God! Oh!
Oh yeah, that's bigger.
Dude, yeah!
Yeah,
you
that's
guys are crazy.
that's a
Watch that
toad.
pelican case.
Oh. Look at that jig. I don't care what.
That's a big one, dude. That's
Yeah.
That sucks.
It's alright.
You sure that's your buddy?
Yeah, that's definitely Troy.
Yeah.
You hear that drum? I watched you get bit and didn't even film.
Yeah, look at the size of that guy. That is sick. All right, guys, we had an epic day on the boat. Just fun fishing with Alex, John, myself, and Strahlo, Sean, behind the camera. Insane day. Cobias, kingfish, red snapper, giant black drum. We weighed one up to 74 pounds. The other one might have been 80 pounds. We don't know. But if you like what you saw, click the link below. Book a trip with us. Captain Alex, Captain John, myself, or even Captain Nate, who's not on the boat today. Like the video, subscribe, follow us, whatever you want, Instagram. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more.